Welcome to my honest review of Windstream's Kinetic Internet service. Today, I'll be sharing my personal experience with their offerings, shedding light on both the positives and the areas where there's room for improvement. Let's start by exploring the different internet plans Windstream provides. They offer a range of options, from DSL to fiber optic services. For instance, their Kinetic Internet 100 megabits per second plan is priced at $24.99 per month with autopay, offering up to 100 megabits per second download speeds, which is suitable for basic browsing and streaming. On the higher end, they have the Kinetic Internet 1 gig plan at $59.99 per month with autopay, providing up to 1000 megabits per second speeds, ideal for heavy internet users and large households. One of the standout features of Windstream service is the absence of data caps. This means you can stream, download, and browse without worrying about hitting a data limit, a significant advantage over some competitors. Additionally, they don't require annual contracts, giving customers the flexibility to modify or cancel their service without penalties. However, it's important to note that the availability of these plans varies by location. Windstream primarily serves rural and remote areas, and while their fiber service offers impressive speeds, it's not yet available everywhere. In some regions, customers may only have access to DSL options, which can be slower and less reliable. Speaking of reliability, my experience with their fiber service has been positive, with consistent speeds and minimal downtime. However, some users have reported issues with their DSL service, including frequent drops and slower than advertised speeds. Customer service is another area where experiences seem to vary. While some customers have praised the professionalism and efficiency of Windstream's support team, others have reported challenges in resolving issues promptly. It's worth mentioning that Windstream has been making efforts to improve in this area, but there's still room for growth. Many useful links you can find in the description. Installation and equipment fees are also factors to consider. Windstream charges a monthly fee for their modem with Wi-Fi capabilities, and while professional installation is available, there may be additional charges depending on your setup requirements. In conclusion, Windstream's Kinetic Internet service offers competitive pricing and the significant advantage of no data caps or contracts, making it an attractive option for many. However, the quality of service can vary depending on your location and the type of connection available. If you're in an area where their fiber service is offered, it's a strong contender. For those limited to DSL, it's essential to weigh the potential for slower speeds and reliability issues. I hope this review has provided valuable insights into Windstream's Kinetic Internet service. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support helps me continue to provide honest and informative content. Thank you for watching.